Yasham come now, you say we are fake prophet. I want to tell you that, you see, me, I'm a prophet. I am not a party prophet. I speak my mind any day. Am I happy NPP had won? Yes. NDC had won? Yes, I'm very happy. If you are not happy, it's your own problem. Are you a member of NDC? I'm not a member of NDC. I have something for them. They might not be happy when I tell them 2027. His Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana has conceded defeat. And I think it's the fastest concession since the Fourth Republic. Yesterday, after I was done voting, and I called my senior pastor and I said, even though voting is in process, I think that he should be the one to preach today, so that I will not have anything to say. But he said no, he will not preach. I should preach. So we are in a nation that hates the truth. When you tell people the truth, they think you are biased. They should wait and listen what I will tell them before even we enter 2027. I always want to stay out of all this thing called politics. But when you dare me, we will step into it and see. So I think that I told you that His Excellency John Mahama will win the election and NDC will win the majority in Parliament. And I told you that others are saying that we will know by the 9th, but it's by the 8th that we will know. You see, this thing, it is a function of grace. It is not a function of how long you have been doing it. It's a function of grace. And we also have to behave as Christians, even as those in NDC jubilate because their party has won. We also have to be considerate of other people's investment, because some people banked all their hope in this election. When you advise, I told you there's an NPP MP who sent me a message that, sir, let me know if I will not win, so that, and he did not win. You see, so that's I don't put so much into this. And where people should understand that a prophet like me, I am not a prophet for Ghana. I cannot be the national prophet or the nation's prophet. I can't be. I can't be a prophet of a party. I'm God's prophet. I speak and share visions and revelations of the Almighty. Now, you threaten me that if your party win, if I'll be able to stay in Ghana, now your party has lost. So now what will you do again? I told you that me, everything I respond. So you are still there in church. I don't know whether people think that they are those who make profit. You don't respect. And you are still here. You think that your classmate, the right time I respond to you will come. Don't try to insult us with your behavior. As time goes on, I will handle everyone. Now, So some of them who also insulted me on Facebook. Remember also, Yashan come now, we say we are fake prophet. Anyway, this is just for introduction sake. I want to tell you that, you see, me, I'm a prophet. I am not a party prophet. I speak my mind any day. There are people who have lost the election. I've mentioned I have 5. I'll tell you the rest of the 5. And I'm happy they have lost. Say amen. I'm very happy some people have lost. Am I happy NPP had won? Yes. NDC had won? Yes, I'm very happy. If you are not happy, it's your own problem. Are you a member of NDC? I'm not a member of NDC. I have something for them. They might not be happy when I tell them 2027.